Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to save your Canva design. So there are multiple ways to do that, so I'm going to go through each one of them to show you how you can do this. So the first one is to simply click on share in the top right corner and then simply click on download, and as you can see you have here the file type, so you can choose any of these options. So you have JPG, PNG, PDF and many more. And then simply you can resize, so you can upscale the image if you want, and if you want you can choose transparent background, and you can choose to compress file, but as you can see you're gonna get a lower quality. Then simply click on download, and this is the basic way to do that. So the next one is to simply go to file, and as you can see the design automatically saved by itself. So as you can see, save, all changes saved. So after you make a change to your design, Canva automatically will save this to your project file. So if you go to home, you're gonna see your Canva designs, and as you can see you have another option to save to folder, so you can click that and then simply choose your folder. So let's go and create a new one, and then let's type in design, and then simply click on add to new folder, and basically that's all you have to do. Now as you can see we have this design saved to our folder. So if you want we can go to folder, and here you can see our design. So you have to simply go to projects, and then simply, as you can see, you can go to projects and then simply go to folders and then simply go to design, and we have here our design. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.